So what is up guys, Aditya back again with a new video and you're watching Supermania. So guys, today we are having these earphones, or these are the new OnePlus Bluetooth Wireless Z, and I got these for 2K, and I'll be talking about these earphones itself in the further video, so without wasting time we'll continue further. So first things first guys, I have got these Bullet Wireless Z with me, and these are in the black color, and you get another two color in the same variant, that is green and blue. But I have chosen the black one. Anyways, moving on further, I'll be talking about the design and the durability and also the quality of these earphones. So as you can see, first of all here, the design is pretty much the same from the previous earphones, which were the Bullet Wireless. So the design is literally the same. And here, as you can see, the neckband, it's pretty soft and gives a good grip, and it will not itch or it will not irritate. I guess these are pretty comfortable on the neck, and you can do jogging with these earphones, will be really comfortable. And here you get a good battery life in these earphones. OnePlus claims that a 10 minutes charge will give you around 10 hours usage, and on a full battery charge it will be working for 20 hours. So if you are a average user, you can use this earphone on a single charge for maybe 2 to 3 days without any problem or issue. Moving on, here on the right side you have got an extra button here this time. So when you double press this button, you can shift from device to device. Like suppose if I'm using a phone right now while connected to these earphones, and I just double click this and I can just shift to my laptop. And one of the best features of these earphones I like is I just need to separate these earbuds here, and it will start pairing with the device. And as I connect these again, it will switch off itself automatically. So that's one good deal here. So guys, I have got this device here with me, and I have also got these earplugs with me. So as you can see, it's not showing the device, the earphones name yet. And also as you can see, there is no light or light blinking right now. But as I remove these or separate these earplugs, you will be able to see the light as they are now in the pairing mode. So also when I keep this nearby and I scan it again, so you can see these here. I'll just go and connect these. So it's as easy as that. And now I'll be showing you some example here, right here. And I'll be playing this video for you guys, and we'll be showing you a few things. So guys, as you can see here, when I click these together, the video pauses, and as I remove, it does not resume because it's not OnePlus. Otherwise, if it was a OnePlus device, the video would have resumed. But I can still play or pause the videos from here. Here you have the volume controller and also the play and pause button. And also it is the microphone, which is pretty near to your mouth. So guys, moving on further, I'll be talking about the comfort zone and also about the noise cancellation on these earphones. But before going on to that topic, I would like to mention that these earphones are come with the silicone ear tips, so which are really comfortable and gives a great seal. And also in the box you get another extra pair of tip, which is in large and one is in small size. Anyways, moving on, as I put these earphones in my ear, gives a pretty good seal, and the external noise decreases to a really good level. So while watching a movie or listening to music on these earphones really gives a good experience. And also one point also to be added here is, as I have mentioned that these earphones are of silicone, so they are pretty comfortable in ear and gives a good grip. So here is the one advantage, that if you are jumping or doing anything extreme, I would say, these earphones will not fall out easily. Guys, for a quick comparison, I have got these Boat Sports with me, and on the other hand I have got the OnePlus Wireless Z with me. So we'll be starting with the battery life first. On the Boat earphones you get the battery life around 6 hours on one single charge, and on to the other hand on the OnePlus earphones you get the battery life of 10 hours on 10 minutes charge. That's because of the rapid charge, or you say the fast charge. And the total battery life on these earphones on full charge will be around 20 hours. So moving on guys, I'll be talking about the water resistivity. Both of these earphones come with IP rated, so there will be no problem while you are working out in the gym or you are walking in the rain. It can handle slight splashes, not like too deep. You cannot take these in water or pool. Otherwise these are fine and will not give any problem to you. And these earphones on this hand, the OnePlus one, they are pretty lightweight compared to these ones, I would say, and will not feel heavy while jogging or while working out, and these will not give any problem to you. So guys, this is the last segment of the video, which is called "Is this a great buy or it's a buy?" So here the first point I would like to mention, that these earphones come from the OnePlus, the one of the most known brand across the world. And also here the battery life is really good on these earphones, come with a great performance, also has a fast charging, long battery life, and also the bass is decent on these earphones, and the highs and the mids and the lows are really good, and the sound is crystal clear. Also guys, these earphones also come with the low latency mode, or I would say the gaming mode. So here the thing is, while using these earphones on gaming mode or the low latency mode, the dealing of the noise or the dealing of the voice will decrease a lot, and you will be having a great virtual live experience while playing any game. It will not have much delay while playing the game. So guys, this was all for today's video, and hopefully you liked it, and make sure you like, share and subscribe Supermaniac, and I'll be leaving all my social media handle links in the description box below, so make sure you go and check that out. This was Supermaniac signing out.